High-quality Type-C to USB-A cables 10-pack exclusive wholesale offer by Yourtronics. Standard 3 feet, 1 meter length Type-C to USB-A cables. Fits many smartphones, tablets, small electronics, etc. Durable, cables are made to last. Have reliable charging on the go or anywhere you are. Package includes 10 Type-C cables with 12 months warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. If you need a few spare USB Type-A to C cords, this is an amazing deal. They are no frills cables. They carry power well enough to power a single-board computer and work great for charging devices that use a USB Type-C plug. With a 10-pack, there is never an excuse to not have one anyplace you may need it. My son and I both keep 2 in our cars, 2 at the office and a couple at home, always plugged into a charger. The length is also very convenient. Will they last? I don't know, but at this price I won't get upset if one does break. These also make good loaner cables for the guy or girl at the office that seems to never have a charger cable.